I tried it out and y'all.
Alright, they asking for the queen. I'm a bad bitch, she's a savage. Look back while I twerk.
Hey pretty babies, welcome back to my channel. Today is another hair video. And today's video is sponsored by Miss Lee Hair. They sent me these 24-inch faux locks or whatever. And y'all, this is real cute. Like, what? Like, the way that I be switching it up is toxic. Period. I didn't think I could put these off. First of all, this hair was 24 inches and it gave me 6 packs of faux locks with 20 strands in each pack, right? And I only paid $45 for it. Y'all heard what I said. I said $45. Okay, it's mad cheap, and this hair is good quality. Like, it's really good quality. Now, if y'all see like orange pieces, that's like my natural hair, because I was having trouble wrapping the hair because it is a little bit skinny. So I was having trouble wrapping the hair or whatever, but it ain't nothing serious. That's my natural hair that's poking out a little bit. My hair is bleached, so that's that. So now, if y'all see some pieces that's like orange or whatever, that's my natural hair, because I have my natural hair bleached. So I was trying to wrap it to get it to like be tucked in the crochet lock, but the thing about it is it was a little bit too skinny, so you know, I was having trouble with that. And also, it's my first time doing crochet anything. Like, I didn't even have a crochet needle. They gave me one in the package, so you get 6 packs of the hair plus a free crochet needle. What I did was I did individual locks on the top, and in the back I just crocheted with my braids because I was being way too lazy and I was taking way too long. Like, I took way too long to do some crochet anything. So this hair is 24 inches. It is pretty long. It actually goes past my butt, to be honest, like when I'm standing up, and if you were to stretch it. They're a very small company because they just came out, and you know, they really don't have that much people. They don't have that much buzz. Nobody really knows about them. So, but surprisingly, for a small company, they do have really good hair. So I was surprised about that. I was happy about it because this is my first time doing crochet anything for real. So like, I wasn't trying to have a bad experience for my first time. So, but I'm very happy with it. The hair is very full. Honestly, I did use like basically the whole 6 packs. I have only this much hair left over, like not even a full pack. I only have a little bit of hair left over. I'm not gonna use it. Honestly, I'm not gonna keep this in for very long because, you know, your girl has been getting a whole lot of sponsors or whatever. Period. So I am gonna take this out like this week because honestly, like, I would rather stick to my wigs or whatever. This was just too much work for me. But if you're somebody who likes to wear crochets or box braids or whatever the case may be, this kind of style is definitely for you. And y'all could do so many cute hairstyles with this. Y'all can. This hair is very versatile. Like, it's so versatile, it's mad cute, and it's very trendy right now. You know, a lot of people are doing the faux locks or whatever. And one thing I would say that I wish they were a little bit thicker so that I didn't have to use so many packs to get the fuller look, but it was decent. So I wish that it was like a little bit hard to unravel the hair, because you know how when you have to unravel the hair to wrap around your natural hair to blend it in. The hair is a little bit hard to unravel. I don't know why I'm holding that, but it's a little bit hard to unravel. Like, y'all can see, it's hard to really get it to how you want it to be. Other than that, the hair texture is really good. It has like this wavy look to it all over the hair, so it's not like completely straight. You can curl it if you want to. You could braid it and put it in hot water, or put flexi rods on and dip it in hot water. There's plenty of styles that you could do with this hair. And you know, at first I was a little bit skeptical because it was like, you know, crochet faux locks. And I'm just like, I don't know, because I'm more of like a lace frontal kind of girl. Like, I don't really like the whole box braid stuff. Like, it's cute once in a while, but I don't know. So I tried it out, and y'all, what? And this is what the hair looks like when it's out. Got a middle part. It looks very natural. Like, it looks like it's coming straight out of my scalp. Again, the blonde pieces or orange pieces is my natural hair because I have it bleached. But yeah, this hair is really cute. Sorry if I'm looking over there, I'm looking in my mirror, but Like, you could do so many styles. The same thing as having box braids. Another thing is that, you know, if you like the whole jumbo faux locks kind of look, I wouldn't recommend this hair, to be honest, or crochet period. I would recommend, you know, you just buy the hair and do the lock yourself, because these locks are very skinny. Or you could get crochet locks that are a little bit thicker, or what you could do is wrap the hair around it, but nobody really has time for all of that. You just buy the hair and do it yourself, because yeah, this hair is really skinny and it's hard to unravel to even make them thicker on your own. So I really wouldn't recommend going for a jumbo kind of faux lock look with this hair. Other than that, if you like small parts or medium parts, this hair is perfect for you. All right, so in the next clip, I'm just gonna show y'all how long the hair actually is. You know, shipping really wasn't that long, and it was free on top of that, because I don't like to pay for shipping. But it was like, I would say around 4 to 5 days. And overall, out of 10, I would give this hair a solid 9. Other than, the only reason I'm giving it a 9 out of 10 is because it was a little bit hard to unravel to wrap around my hair, and it's a little bit skinny. But that's really it. Like, this hair is bomb regardless. I recommend it if you like small or medium locks. If you want jumbo locks, you're gonna have to do it yourself, because this ain't gonna work out. So that's really it. Like, buy the hair. All the hair details are going to be linked down in the description box below, so if y'all want to check it out, go ahead and check my description box. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I got more hair videos coming for y'all, because your girl is getting sponsors left and right. I'm working with Eunice a lot, so it's coming. It's coming. And I'm also in the process of making a whole nother YouTube channel. So I'm gonna have 2 different YouTube channels. One's gonna be for hair, and the other one is gonna be for, like, you know, like vlogs, mukbangs, challenges, reaction videos, stuff like that. Because, you know, like, I'm an interesting person. Like, I don't only do hair. Like, I'm very interesting, and I feel like y'all need to see that. So when my other channel drops, I'll make another video for that. But right now, I'm still thinking of a name and stuff like that. So stay tuned for that as well. Don't forget to like, comment, and hit that subscribe button so y'all can stay updated for every time I post. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.